Welcome to Chatz Debug Diaries. Today we are breaking down a topic that every beginner tester needs to understand: the difference between testing and debugging. A common misconception is that testing and debugging are the same thing. But here's the truth: testing is not debugging. Both activities help improve software quality, but they play very different roles in the development lifecycle. Let's look at how they fit together. Testing is all about finding failures or defects in the product. And according to ISTQB, testing happens in two main ways. First, dynamic testing. This is where you execute the software. You run the app, try different inputs, observe the behavior, and if something goes wrong, boom, that's a failure. Second, static testing. This doesn't involve running the software at all. Instead, you review documents, code, requirements, or test cases. Here, you can directly uncover defects before the product is even executed. So, in simple terms, testing's main goal is to reveal problems. Alright, so a dynamic test fails. You have spotted an incorrect output or unexpected behavior. Now what? This is where debugging comes in. And debugging is usually done by developers, not testers. Debugging is a systematic activity. It typically follows three major steps. Step 1: reproduce the failure. The developer needs to see the issue happening again to understand it. Step 2: diagnose and find the defect. This is the detective work: checking logs, reviewing code, isolating the cause. Step 3: fix the defect. Once the root cause is found, the developer writes a fix or adjusts the code to eliminate the defect. That's debugging in a nutshell. But wait, the process doesn't end there. After a fix is applied, two important testing activities follow. First, confirmation testing. This is sometimes called retesting. You run the same test again to make sure the defect is actually fixed. Second, regression testing. Here, you test related functions or nearby features to ensure the new fix didn't break something else unintentionally. Whenever code changes, regression is essential. It prevents fix one, break two scenarios. Now, what about static testing? If you find a defect during a review or walkthrough, there is usually no failure to reproduce because the software wasn't executed. Developers simply jump straight to the debugging activity. They fix the defect in the document or code before the product even runs. This makes static testing extremely cost effective. Defects are cheaper to fix before execution. Let's wrap everything up. Testing reveals defects. Debugging removes defects. Confirmation testing checks that the fix works. Regression testing checks that nothing else was broken. Both testing and debugging work hand in hand to deliver quality software, but they are not the same activity. Understanding this difference is key for anyone starting in QA, automation, or ISTQB preparation. If you are learning QA, testing fundamentals, or preparing for your ISTQB exam, make sure to hit subscribe and join me here at Chatz Debug Diaries. I simplify complex QA topics so you can learn faster and build confidence. Thank you for listening. See you in next video.